Hey guys, welcome back to the official Kraken YouTube channel. We've got the KV5TT here, exclusive unboxing video for you guys today. And then after this unboxing video, we're going to be putting out a video series of how to put this thing together step by step. But until then, let's get into this bad boy. Okay, so let's open this thing. Big box, big car. We're rocking this. Alright, so we've got this thing open now. We have all the tires on top. We've got 4 for the cars, and then we've got the 2 for the decoration on the back. Some packing material. We always love it. And oh, look at this. Shiny, guys. So we've got the tires, and then what's interesting about the kit version of the KV5TT is that there are individual bags for each part of this car. So here we have bag A, and then it goes all the way through bag N, which is the last part you'll need. Here's bag N.
Got bag B here, lower, upper control arms.
Got bag A here.
Got bag I, air filter, accessories, gaskets.
Bag C.
See, I got a set of B locks, straps for the rear.
We've got bag L, the gas tank, of course.
What do we got? Next bag G. We got frame uprights, all kind of different supports.
All right, and then for the roll cage, which is neatly packaged in here, so it doesn't roll around, it's all here. So along with the roll cage of this car, you've got clear body panels for all of your bashing needs. Basically, here you have the cab, and then here you've got the hood. You can decorate these all that you want, but then you also have custom livery, sponsored by Tisco Racing, that is shipped with this car that you can put on top of it. So you've got your own pre-included oil, and then you also have this chassis here that is shipped with it, and then also kind of the most important part of this whole project, because you can't put it together without it, is this manual. So this is what we're going to be explaining in the further video tutorial series that we're going to be putting out, and that's kind of the whole package. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for this put together of the beautiful car, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.